మీ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ మాత్రం పెట్టండి అయినా, కరెక్ట్ హాల్ టికెట్ నెంబర్ పెట్టండి. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవుతుందా నాన్న?
అవుతుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది స్క్రీన్ మీద?
డాక్టర్ జె మధుసూదన్ లెక్చరర్
నా పేరు ఉంది కనిపిస్తుంది కదా? ఓకే
సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న?
ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ సార్.
ఎక్సెల్ షీట్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎక్సెల్ షీట్లో మనము బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఇప్పుడు మనం వేస్తాము. నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్లో తయారు చేస్తాను, మీరు ఆ ప్రకారం నోట్స్లో వేసుకోండి. సో నేను టైప్ చేసేది కనిపిస్తుంది నాన్న?
ఎస్ సార్.
నేను జూమ్ చేస్తాను ఇంకా. నాన్న ఇప్పుడు బాగా కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే
ఆ.
సార్.
సార్
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. సో మనం గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ది ఫండమెంటల్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ క్లాస్. In this class we will prepare balance sheet of the day before yesterday problem. Yesterday and the day before yesterday I could not take class due to training classes. So on Saturday we have solved or we have prepared the trading and profit and loss account for this problem, and balance sheet was left over, and today we will prepare the balance sheet for that particular problem. All that you have to do is, all of you please write down this problem in the notebook, and it is very interesting for you how the balance sheet will be prepared. So in the balance sheet, you just observe the balance sheet heading: balance sheet as on 31st 12/2020. That means balance sheet heading should be like this only, because కట్ అవుతుందా? దానిలో ఏం చేస్తాం మనము, నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇది రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను మీకు రికార్డెడ్ వీడియో మీకు తర్వాత ఈవినింగ్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను, యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత. ఓకే, మీకు ఆ వీడియో కొద్దిగా చూసుకొని తర్వాత మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీకు ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి మీరు నోట్స్లో వేసుకోవడానికి అయితే ఇబ్బంది ఉండదు. ఓకే, సో balance sheet, the heading of the balance sheet should be like this: balance sheet as on. As on is the word to be used for writing the heading of balance sheet, because balance sheet is true. Whatever the information we provide in the balance sheet, it is true on that date only. On that date, after that date, this balance sheet may not be true, because the assets and the liabilities are a point of figures. That means these figures are as on 31st 12/2020 by the close of timing of the business. Therefore, but while writing the heading for the trading account, we have to write the heading trading account for the year ended. For the year ended 31st 12/2020, like that we have to write heading for trading account. For profit and loss account, we have to write in the same manner, profit and loss account for the year ended, because trading and profit and loss account, both accounts we will prepare for 1 year. So during the 1 year, what were the various incomes we have received, what were the various expenses we have spent for various items. All these items are relating to 1 year. But as far as balance sheet is concerned, balance sheet is, all the figures are for a particular day. Therefore there should be a difference in the heading. Next, in the balance sheet you find total 6 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Balance sheet is not an account. Balance sheet is not an account. That's why we should not keep debit and credit. We should not keep debit and credit, because balance sheet is not account. Balance sheet is a statement, just a statement. It is not an account. And moreover, while writing the names of the accounts, we should not use to and by. These words should not be used in the balance sheet. Okay, so as far as the amounts are concerned, this is known as inner column, this is outer column. So this is the left side column. In the left side, you will find capital and liabilities. Capital and liabilities will be shown in the left side. We should not call it as a debit side. It is the left side. Left side of the statement is shown the capital items or liability items. And in the right side of the balance sheet, we will show the assets. The assets will be shown in the right side. And for each and two amount columns are given. One is inner column, another one is outer column. This inner column will be used for making adjustments. That means if you want to add anything, you can add in the inner column and the net amount can be shown in the outer column. So in that way, one inner column and one outer column is to be opened in the balance sheet. Even in the trading and profit and loss account also, we have to open the inner column and outer column. Now, let us see the items. In the first, you see the liability side, capital and liability side. In the capital and liability side, first item is to be shown as capital. So for capital, first we have to show the capital. What is the capital? So capital is available. You just you can remember that all the items which appear in the liability side will appear on the credit side of the trial balance. Okay. So all the items which are to be shown in the asset side, they are made available in the debit side of the trial balance. Okay. So the first you see the credit side of the trial balance. In the credit side of the trial balance, first in the liability side, you have to show the capital. How much is the capital? It is 80,000. 80,000 is the capital to be shown in the inner column.
Sir, 8,000
Capital, sorry, 80,000. 80,000 is to be shown in the inner column. For this capital, there are certain adjustments to be made. What are the important adjustments which we have to make to the capital is, if you have derived the net profit, that net profit is to be added to the capital. If it is net loss, that net loss is to be deducted from the capital account. If there are any drawings, that drawings are also to be deducted from the capital account. So these are the important adjustments to be made as far as the capital is concerned. Now, in the profit and loss account, we got net profit. Now, so net profit is to be added to the capital account. So net profit. How much net profit? 55,951. 55,951. Okay. So if you club these two together, B3 plus B4. So what is the total? That 31 lakh 35,000 951 is the total. That means after adding the capital, the net profit, the total amount is to be shown in the outer column. This is the main column. Okay, this is column meant for the adjustments. Okay, so 1,35,951 is the total. Next, the next item, you just see the trial balance credit side. Are there any liabilities? Are there any liabilities? There is a bank loan. So bank loan is to be shown in the liability side. Bank loan. So for bank loan, there is no adjustment. There is no adjustment. Therefore, how much? It is 15,000. Bank loan. Bank loan is a liability, no? So bank loan is a liability. It is it is to be shown in the outer column. If there is no adjustment, directly you have to show the balance in the outer column, not inner column. Inner column is meant for making adjustment. That means if any additions or deductions are to be made, it is to be used. So bank loan 15,000. Okay. Next, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is a liability, no? So liability, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors. So sundry creditors, there is no adjustment for sundry creditors. That's why it is to be shown in the directly 44,560. 44,460. అందరికి కనిపిస్తుంది కదా స్క్రీన్ మీద? అందరికి స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తుందా? వేసుకుంటున్నారా లెక్క? అందరూ వేసుకుంటున్నారు కదా? కొంచెం అర్థమవుతుంది కదా లెక్క?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్.
Next, outstanding liabilities. That means outstanding liabilities means the liabilities to be paid. That means these are the liabilities incurred but they are not paid. So under this category, expenses to be paid will come in this category. You know, in the outstanding liabilities, as far as the trial balance is concerned, these are the three items. These are the three items that are appearing. That is capital, bank loan, sundry creditors. No other item is available in the credit side of trial balance as far as the liabilities are concerned. Okay. So after making entry of all the items in the profit trial balance, you have to see the adjustments. Is there any item in the adjustment column which come in the liability side of the balance sheet? Okay, so you just see the adjustments. First adjustment is stock on hand on 31st December 2020 was valued at 30,500. This is a closing stock. It is to be shown on the asset side, not on the liability side. Next, number 2, depreciate plant and machinery by 10%, furniture by 5%, and motor car by 1,000. These items are also to be shown on the asset side. While showing the asset value, this depreciation is to be deducted. Next, number 3, bring provision for bad debts to 5% on sundry debtors. This item also will appear on the asset side. Next, number 4, commission of 1% on the gross profit is to be provided for works manager. You know, works manager 1% commission is to be paid. We have calculated this commission and shown on the debit side of the profit and loss account. How much we have shown in the profit and loss account? Commission to works manager, that is 957 rupees we have shown. Okay, so that amount is not yet paid. It is not yet paid. Therefore, it is to be shown in the liability side. So, heading outstanding liabilities. So, under this heading, works manager commission. Works manager commission. This we have already shown in the profit and loss account. I told you, no, whatever the item that appear in the adjustments, that item is to be shown twice or two places. One place we have shown it already in the profit and loss account debit side, and another time we have to show in the liability side of the balance sheet. So how much? 957 rupees. Next, in the same manner, you see the fifth point, adjustment fifth point. A commission of 2% of net profit after charging the works manager commission is to be credited to the general manager. So general manager commission also we have shown in the profit and loss account. How much we have shown in the profit and loss account? Debit side 1142 rupees. We have calculated 2% of on the net commission, 1142. That amount is to be shown here also, 1142 rupees. Okay. Next, these are the only items. These are the only items that appear in the liability side of this balance sheet. Okay. There are no other items which appear in the liability side. We have shown all the items. Okay. Next, go to the assets account. Asset side. Asset side. Liability side completed. Asset side. So, in the asset side, that is the right side. We should not call it as a credit side. We have to call it as a right side or assets side, because it is not an account. No? All the assets, where the assets are appearing, the assets will appear in the trial balance, the debit side of the trial balance. Assets will appear at the debit side of the trial balance. Sorry, here we have forgotten to type the matter. It's a commission to general manager. Okay, commission to general manager. Okay, so the items that is to be shown in the asset side, we have to search in, where we have to search? We have to search at debit side of trial balance. You will find all assets in the debit side of the trial balance. So you just see the trial balance. In trial balance, first you note down the cash on hand. Cash on hand. So cash on hand, there may not be any adjustment for this. Therefore, you directly show on the outer column 1120. 1120. Next, cash at bank. Cash at bank. 4,200. Okay, there are no adjustments for these items. That's why I have been showing on the directly to the in the outer column. If there are any adjustments, that is add or delete, that is to be shown in the inner column. Okay, so here also you add the description, add for net profit, you just write add net profit, because we are adding this figure to the capital account now. So add. So cash on hand, cash at bank. Next, any asset, closing stock. Closing stock, that is closing stock is available in the adjustments. First you have to show the cash in hand, cash at bank and closing stock. How much is the closing stock? You see the adjustments. First adjustment, stock on hand on 31st December 2020 was valued at rupees 30,500 rupees. So that is 30,500 rupees. Closing stock. Okay. Then afterwards, you just show the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. For sundry debtors, there may be adjustment. For sundry debtors, there may be adjustment. That is provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts. So, therefore, there is adjustment for sundry debtors. This amount is to be shown in the inner column. How much is the sundry debtors? 78,200. 78,200. So, the adjustment to be made to the sundry debtors is provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts. This provision for bad debt is to be deducted from sundry debtors. If you see, once the profit and loss account, in the profit and loss account, we have shown debit side 1,910 as a provision for bad debts. But in the trial balance on the credit side, there is already old provision to the extent of 2,000 rupees. That means in the balance, in the profit and loss account, the figure given in the adjustment is bring provision for bad debts to 5% on sundry debtors. That means the total provision for sundry debtors, provision for bad debts should be 5% on sundry debtors. So 5% on sundry debtors means sundry debtors are 78,200. Okay. So on 78,200, 5% means it is 3,910. Okay. So this total 3,910 rupees we have to deduct from the sundry debtors. Therefore, less provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts. That means in the profit and loss account we have shown only 1,910, but here we have to deduct the complete 3,910. 3,910. Okay. After deducting this amount from the sundry debtors, how much you will get? 74,290. 74,290 is the net amount. It should be shown in the outer column. Okay. Next, Furniture. Furniture is an asset now. So furniture. So there is an adjustment for furniture. That is depreciation we have to deduct. Therefore, it is to be shown in the inner column. How much? Furniture 10,000 rupees. So depreciation, there is a depreciation on furniture. That is a 5%. How much? If you see the profit and loss account, the profit and loss account, furniture we have deducted 500 rupees as a depreciation. Therefore, less depreciation. Depreciation on furniture is 500 rupees. We have calculated that is 5% as mentioned in the adjustment. Depreciate furniture by 5%. 5% on 10,000 is 500 rupees. So 10,000 minus 500. How much? 9,500.
500.
9,500 rupees. Next. What is the next assets? Motor car is there. Motor car. The motor car. For motor car also there is a depreciation. No? Motor car also there is a depreciation. Therefore, you show the amount. What is the amount of motor car? 12,000. 12,000. So on that also there is a depreciation. Less depreciation. How much depreciation on motor cars? 1,000 rupees. 1,000 is to be deducted. So 12,000 minus 1,000. How much? How much? 11,000.
11,000, sir.
11,000. Okay, outer column 11,000 rupees. Okay, next, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is also asset. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. For this also there is an adjustment. Depreciation is there. So therefore, this amount is also to be shown in the inner column. How much plant and machinery? How much? 20,000. So less depreciation. How much depreciation? We have shown in the profit and loss account, that is 1,000 rupees. That 1,000 rupees we have to deduct from this. 1,000 depreciation. 20,000 minus 1,000. How much? 19,000 net balance. Outer column. Okay. Next. Any other assets? There are buildings. There are buildings. So buildings. Buildings. Is there any depreciation on building? Is there any depreciation on building? No. There are only 3 items on which depreciation is to be calculated. That is plant and machinery, furniture, and motor car. We have calculated. We have deducted all these three depreciations. Therefore, there is no depreciation on building. Therefore, how much building amount? 24,000. Outer column direct. If there is no adjustment for the item, you have to show directly in the outer column. Next, goodwill. There is an item called goodwill. Goodwill is also asset. For goodwill also there is no adjustment. Therefore, it is to be shown in the outer column. How much? 25,000. 25,000. Next, any other assets in the trial balance? You see the from beginning to ending trial balance. Any other asset remains in the trial balance which is not entered? Plant and machinery we have entered. Okay, manufacturing wages that's entered. Furniture we have entered. Buildings entered. Goodwill entered. Sundry debtors entered. Motor car entered. Cash at bank entered. Cash in hand. Everything is entered into the balance sheet. Okay, there is no other assets. Therefore, you just see the adjustments. Is there any item still remaining without posting? Stock, closing stock we have entered. Depreciate, we have entered the depreciation. Provision for bad debts entered. This commission we have entered in the liability side, both commissions. Therefore, this is the balance sheet. Okay, so in the balance sheet left side we have entered all the liabilities and capital, and in the credit side, in the right side we have entered all the assets. If there are any adjustment, we have made this adjustment by adding or deducting from that particular item. So you just verify the items appeared. What I have told, the items appearing in the trial balance will be shown in one place only. The items appearing in the adjustments, these items are to be shown in two places. One time in either in trading account or profit and loss account, another time in balance sheet. You just verify, first adjustment, closing stock. Closing stock, in two places we have shown. Closing stock first we have entered in the trading account credit side, okay, and again we have shown in the asset side, closing stock 30,500. Okay, two times it is appeared. Okay, next, depreciation on assets, that is machinery, plant and machinery, furniture and motor car. These three depreciations we have shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account one time, and again in the balance sheet we have deducted from the concerned asset account. Furniture less depreciation, motor car depreciation, plant and machinery less depreciation. So two times it appeared. Next, provision for doubtful debts, bad debts. Provision for bad debts we have shown in the balance trading account debit side, as well as we have shown in the asset side by deducting from the sundry debtors. Next, commission of works manager and commissioner of general manager. These two items we have already shown in the profit and loss account, and again we have shown in the liability side, because these commissions are to be paid, the obligation, therefore they are shown in the liability side. Like this, whatever the items that appear in the trial balance will be shown in only one place, but items given in the adjustments, they are to be shown in the two places. Okay, so after completion of this particular balance sheet, the total should be equal. The assets total and liabilities total should be equal. So let us see whether they are equal or not. No, total wrong. F13 to F15. You just total the all the items. F3. F3 to F16. Yes. 2,66,610. Let us see the total of liability side. C3 to C16. Total 1,96,610. Why this side is high? No, sorry. This amount is not there. 68,000.
సార్ మీరు
1,97,610 total.
కరెక్టే సార్, ఈ పక్క ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది సార్, 2 lakhs వచ్చింది.
ఏది 2 times వచ్చింది? టోటల్ తప్ప మనం ఫిగర్ వేయడం 25,000, 24,000, 18,000.
ఇప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేశారు సార్ మీరు.
1 minute. ప్లాంట్ అండ్ మెషినరీ డిప్రిషియేషన్ ఎంత మనకు 2,000 కదా, సారీ ఈ 1,000 వేసాను. ఇది 2,000. 2,000 పోతే మనకు 19,000, 18,000 వస్తుంది. Just you see the total 1,97,610. Liability side
టాలీ అయింది సార్, 2 times, 2 times, రెండు పక్కల.
So this is how the balance sheet is to be prepared. After preparation of balance sheet, the liability side and asset side should be equal. So in this way, we have to prepare the final accounts. Final accounts. First, we have to prepare the trading account. We have to arrive the gross profit or gross loss, and next we have to prepare the profit and loss account, and we have to arrive the net profit or net loss, and finally we have to prepare the balance sheet. And after preparation of balance sheet, the total of liabilities should be equal to the total of assets. Therefore, this is how we have to prepare the final accounts. It's a very lengthy problem, no? It's a very lengthy problem. How many days it has taken to solve online? If it is a classroom, you can complete within 2 classes. But since it is online, so I have taken so much of time because to explain each and every aspect. Therefore, one more problem I have shared on Monday. So that problem we will solve in the next class by following this same method. In the Google Excel sheet, I will solve the problem. Okay, that problem you can note down, and I will solve that problem in the Google Excel sheet in the next class. Okay, thank you very much for attending the class. And అందరూ నెంబర్ పోస్ట్ చేశారు కదా. Those who have not posted the numbers, you post number and exit from the meeting. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే దయచేసి అందరికీ మిగతా వాళ్ళకు కూడా చెప్పండి, క్లాసులకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులకు అటెండ్ కమ్మని. దయచేసి పర్సెంటేజ్ అటెండెన్స్ పెరగాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళు ఎస్టర్డే one circular has been given by the university that second semester is to be started. సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమని ఒక సర్కులర్ ఇచ్చారు అఫిలియేటెడ్ కాలేజెస్కు. మనకి ఇంకా ఎగ్జామ్స్ కంప్లీట్ కాలే, వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఎగ్జామ్స్ కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు, కానీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ తర్వాత కండక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, ముందు సెకండ్ ఇయర్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమని వాళ్ళు సర్కులర్ ఇచ్చారు. కాబట్టి మనం కూడా ఇంకా ఆ సర్కులర్ను ఫాలో కావాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇంకా మాకు ఇంతవరకు మనకు ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు ఏం చెప్పలేదు. సో ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు ఒకవేళ ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఈ చాప్టర్తో మనకు సిలబస్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. సో మనకు ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే ఇంకా సెకండ్ ఇయర్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతాయి. సారీ సెకండ్ సెమిస్టర్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఎగ్జామ్స్ కావాలంటే తర్వాత పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంలో ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి ఒకవేళ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఆ విధంగా వస్తే నేను వాట్సాప్లో మెసేజ్ పెడతాను. కాబట్టి దయచేసి మిగతా వాళ్ళని కూడా దయచేసి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులకు రాకపోతే మాత్రం చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. చెప్తున్నా చూడండి, ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులకు రాని వాళ్ళు చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. చెప్పండి అందరికీ కూడా. ఓకేనా
సార్?
నేను ఇది వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేశాను. ఈ వీడియో కూడా మీకు యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత లింక్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తాను రాత్రికి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. పోస్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోండి, మీటింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కాకండి.
ఓకే సార్. ఏ మొహమ్మద్ రఫీ, ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపో. నెంబర్ పెట్టావా? ఏ మొహమ్మద్ రఫీ.